Have you ever wondered what happens in the nerve center of a telecom or data network when a critical link goes down? When thousands of users suddenly lose service and millions of dollars hang in the balance? Who takes charge? How does order return from chaos? What if I told you that behind those high-stakes moments, there's a quiet hero guiding every step, a framework that turns panic into precision? That hero is ITIL. Welcome to the Christian Omeni Tech Channel, your trusted hub for cutting-edge tech insights, smart solutions, and future-forward innovation. If you're passionate about technology and want to stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. Subscribe now and join a growing community of thinkers, builders, and tech enthusiasts. Fresh content drops regularly, don't miss out. In today's hyper-connected world, high-availability networks are the invisible backbone of our digital lives. Think about it: your mobile network, cloud storage, video streaming, financial transactions, they all depend on one unbroken chain of connectivity. Telecom operators, data centers, and ISPs invest millions to design networks that aim for the impossible, 5 nines of availability, that is 99.999% uptime. Or less than 5 minutes of downtime in an entire year. But the truth? Incidents still happen. Fiber cuts, router crashes, software bugs, or even natural disasters. When they do, the impact can be massive: lost revenue, angry customers, and reputational damage. In moments like that, technical expertise alone isn't enough. You need structure, discipline, and clarity. That's where ITIL, the Information Technology Infrastructure Library, steps in. Now, let's demystify ITIL for a moment. ITIL isn't a product or a tool, it is a framework of best practices that helps organizations deliver and manage IT services effectively. Think of it as the operating manual for complex IT environments. It doesn't tell you what to do, but how to do it consistently and intelligently. At its heart, ITIL revolves around 5 key stages, from strategy and design to transition, operation, and continual improvement. For our story today, we're zooming in on the service operation phase, specifically the major incident management process. So, what makes an incident major? A user forgetting their password is an incident. A switch outage affecting one floor of employees is an incident. But a core router failure that takes out an entire region as traffic, that's a major incident. ITIL defines a major incident as an event with significant business impact requiring an urgent, coordinated response. It's not just about fixing the fault, it's about minimizing impact, restoring service fast, and managing communication. Because in high-availability environments, every second counts. Let's walk through what happens the moment a major incident hits. It all starts when monitoring systems raise an alarm. Say, a critical router goes down. The Network Operations Center, or an OC, verifies it. If the impact is widespread, the major incident process is triggered immediately. The incident is then escalated to the Major Incident Manager, or MIM. They classify its severity, usually critical or priority 1, and alert everyone who needs to know: engineers, managers, vendor support, and even the executive team, within minutes. A war room is established nowadays, often a virtual conference bridge. Here, engineers collaborate in real time, sharing logs, diagrams, and ideas. The major incident manager isn't the one fixing routers, they're the conductor of the orchestra, ensuring everyone is aligned, updates are flowing, and stakeholders stay informed. Once a workaround or fix is found, like rerouting traffic or replacing a faulty card, the team focuses on restoring service as quickly as possible. Even partial restoration is a win. After the storm comes, ITIL mandates a post-incident review. This is where everyone involved asks, what went well? What slowed us down? And how do we prevent this from happening again? The goal isn't blame, but learning. So, why does ITIL work so well for these high-availability networks? First, it promotes predictability. ITIL replaces guesswork with a clear, process-driven response. Everyone knows their role. Second, it strengthens communication. ITIL mandates structured updates, so technical teams, management, and customers all get the right information at the right time. This keeps customers calm and executives confident. Third, it bridges the gap between technology and business. ITIL helps quantify an outage in business terms: lost revenue, affected customers. This drives smarter prioritization. And finally, it enables continual improvement. Every incident feeds back into the improvement cycle, making the whole system more resilient. Let me share a real story. In 2022, a West African telecom operator faced a major core failure. The ITIL Major Incident process kicked in. The MIMS started a bridge call, bringing the NOC and vendor support together instantly. A workaround was applied, and service was restored in just 38 minutes. The post-incident review then led to a configuration improvement to make failovers faster in the future, without ITIL's discipline. That could have been a 4-hour outage, but what really makes ITIL powerful isn't the paperwork, it's the mindset. It trains engineers to think beyond the immediate technical fix and see the bigger operational picture. It fosters collaboration, turning incident management from a blame game into a culture of collective accountability. Now, here's where the story gets exciting. The future is in automation and artificial intelligence for IT operations. Imagine a router link fails. AI detects it, correlates it with past incidents, identifies the root cause, and triggers a fix all before a human even gets to alert. This isn't sci-fi, it's already happening. But even with automation, ITIL's principles remain the guide, ensuring that machine-led decisions align with business priorities. Let's make this personal. If you've ever streamed a football match and the feed froze just before a goal, that's an incident. If your bank app went down on salary day, that's a major incident. Behind every one of those disruptions, teams are battling to bring systems back. The reason it doesn't last longer. Frameworks like ITIL keep those teams focused, synchronized, and resilient. Looking ahead, ITIL will continue to evolve. We'll see augmented ITIL for faster triage, real-time AI-driven collaboration dashboards, and even predictive incident management that fixes problems before they escalate. So if you're a network or service engineer, here's the takeaway: learning ITIL isn't about bureaucracy, it's about gaining control in chaos. It teaches you how to lead during downtime, communicate under pressure, and make your operations mature and trusted. At its core, ITIL is about people. It's about giving structure to teamwork under pressure and protecting the trust customers place in the networks we build. Every blinking light on a router represents someone's connection, someone's business, someone's moment. And when that light goes out, ITIL ensures there's a team ready to bring it back calmly, efficiently, and intelligently. I hope this video has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing. Please subscribe for more insightful content where we explore the intersection of technology, innovation, and human brilliance. Until next time, stay curious, stay resilient, and keep building the networks of the future.